हमारे बीच में एक व्यक्ति मौजूद हैं जो कि केरला से आए हैं। तो सर, व्हाट्स योर नेम?
Arun Pulikal and Mrs. Subish also here.
Subir.
From Kerala.
So for what purpose you come?
What purpose we are coming from? Coming from for another purpose, just celebrate the victory of the BJP also.
Okay. So the BJP slogan is इस बार 400 पार.
Can you please speak in English?
हाँ, BJP slogan is इस बार 400 पार.
Yes.
This time 400 across 400.
Yeah.
So do you think that the जो रुझान अभी आ रहे हैं, तो do you think that BJP will cross 400?
Now it is around 300. Then within 230 to 330, I think it is going for 320 350 around 320. Will reach us around 320 seats all over India. Yes, कांग्रेस के
काले कारनामे.
yes कांग्रेस के काले करना है because महागठबंधन all parties are बहुत चोर पार्टी है, but BJP is the only one party along with the common peoples. But Mahagठबंधन means anti-Hindu and anti-nationalist parties are there through the UPA. Sorry, India Sakyam.
Can you tell our audience about the state politics of Kerala?
Yes, actually in Kerala there is so many things. Actually Mr. Suresh Gopi, Malayalam actor, and Mr. Raju Chandrasekhar also win. I think it is a main thing regarding the actually the BJP wins the Lok Sabha election in the first time in Kerala. Mr. Suresh Gopi win already his win is actually it is a great victory regarding our Mahagठबंधन of the anti-national and anti-Hindu politics from the Kerala. It is a great victory regarding the Mr. Suresh Gopi and Mr. Raju Chandrasekhar also win. Actually, Mr. Suresh Gopi's victory is already definitely his win. Actually, around 50,000 vote he have.
So currently, Mr. Stalin is running the Kerala government. So what kind?
Mr. Pinarayi.
Mr. Pinarayi.
Yes, Pinarayi Vijayan.
Pinarayi Vijayan.
Yes.
So Mr. Pinarayi Vijayan is running the Kerala government.
Yeah.
So what kind of leader he is?
What kind of
Leader.
leader? He is a very worst leader actually. बहुत then so many CPM activists also run to BJP for his anti-national and anti-Hindu cultural Marxism.
So do you see the BJP futures in Kerala state in the near future?
In Kerala, regarding after the victory of the two parliament seats, after the assembly election, BJP win more seats from the Kerala.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
So आप देख रहे थे न्यूज़ ट्यूब भारत, नए भारत की नई आवाज़.